chocolate chip cookies. Why I like chocolate chip cookies is it's because they're delicious, and when they're done, I get to eat them and share with my family. We practice this recipe to give you the best cookies. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Don't use the oven unless you have parental supervision. So, how we start is we melt the butter till it's golden brown. So right now we're here melting the butter in a stainless steel pan. The butter is starting to turn brown. So right now we have two types of sugar, brown and white. So we pour them both in. Then we add a teaspoon of vanilla. Now we're gonna go get the pan back there. So we're gonna add the egg one at a time. I squashed it like it was snow. Now we mix. Plus, it smells so good. So, how do bakers say do not? Donut. Whisk it for 10 minutes and let it rest for 10 minutes so it can get to the right consistency. Here I have my dry ingredients. 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. There. This is looking nice. It's using magic. Now, look at this. Look at it. And the more dough-like, the more harder it is to stir. I think it's going to be ready for the chocolate chips. So, right here, we have about 3/4 a cup of chocolate chips. Then, we're gonna pour it in. We want them. We wanna mix it so all our cookies have chocolate chips. So right now it looks pretty done. Let's form them into balls. Do not put them too close together so they don't have room to grow. They're just gonna stick together. They're gonna look like little snowmen. Now we're ready to go put it into the oven. Ice cream scoop to scoop up your cookies. So right now, the cookies are done. They look delicious. Oh. So, these will need to cool. Watch their claw.